get into digital marketing, but you don't want to show your face. That's the one thing that you find is holding you back. You don't want to go on camera like this and do talking. Maybe you're shy. Maybe you just don't want to do that. That's called face forward digital marketing. I now offer a new guide in my store. It's called Faceless Digital Marketing Guide. I've created that, and it's to help you if you're thinking of getting into digital marketing, but you want to do faceless, right? Which is using content videos, or maybe you're hiding your face, or you're just showing some beautiful aesthetic videos. I also offer a content bank of 600 faceless videos. It's a content bank of 600 videos that's going to get you started, and you can put that in your faceless store as well. But anyway, go and grab my new Faceless Digital Marketing Guide. That's going to help you get started. My name is Susan. I'm in Alberta, Canada. And if you have any questions about faceless digital marketing or about digital marketing, I do have quite a few freebies in there that you can grab that are going to give you a lot of information to get you started in digital and affiliate marketing if you're just not sure what it is. And again, reach out to me if you have any questions.